where we are going. Crypto industry will reach its first billion users. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone is holding Bitcoin. It is becoming one of the most sought after assets in the financial industry. This is going to push the price for the top fan token has ascended to the highest level in over a year. Good morning, guys. It's Tim from FNGO, the channel that brings you everything from the world of crypto, sports, news, and lifestyle. And what a beautiful day we have today on Tuesday, the 30th of May. And I want to kick off with a little bit of insight into where we are going from a crypto industry looking at users. And crypto is on track to hit 1 billion users by 2025, some analysts are saying. So a more conservative estimate from the likes of Boston Consulting Group, one of the biggest consulting groups in the world, predict that the crypto industry will reach its first billion users by 2030. So give or take 2025, 2030, within a 5-year period, we'll be on track to hit 1 billion users. Now, take that into consideration of where Bitcoin is right now, where cryptocurrency is right now. And for us that are in this industry, for us that are aware of it, yes, we think that everyone is talking about it. We think everyone is holding Bitcoin, but actually there's still so much of the population that are still yet to actually really get involved in crypto. They still struggle to get involved in crypto. And as technology develops, as more people get into that, as more people are getting exposed to what cryptocurrency is, and more importantly, what Bitcoin is, and how Bitcoin can be a store of value, then I think we're just going to see more and more and more people getting involved in Bitcoin with institutions, with ETFs. It is becoming one of the most sought after assets in the financial industry. And according to Bitcoin analyst Willy Woo, he wrote on X yesterday, on track for 1 billion crypto users by 2025. An extrapolation of many independent prior studies in this chart, Binance estimated 65% of crypto users hold Bitcoin. Look, super bullish for the Bitcoin price. And speaking of the Bitcoin price, I actually want to dive into the Hong Kong spot ETF, which launched today. Bitcoin ETFs, which is ultimately opening up Bitcoin ETFs to the Asian market. The city's ETFs markets account for 0.6 of the entire US ETF market. So look, it's a lot smaller, but it's still going to give a good amount of volume coming into Bitcoin. So the crypto community is eagerly waiting a significant industry event as Hong Kong is poised to launch and trade for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which would be interesting because obviously the ETFs in America didn't have Ethereum on the 30th of April. And 3 Chinese firms, Chinese Asset Management, Basira Asset Management, and Harvest Global Investments are expected to launch crypto ETF through their Hong Kong subsidiaries on the Hong Kong stock market. So look, be interesting to see what happens. We know what happened in that 12-week period when the ETFs over in America launched, price absolutely skyrocketed. And if we look at the price, we look at actually where that happened, we can see that the ETF launches were around kind of February time. So we saw this meteoric rise over 12 weeks. And then obviously we saw some sell-off, and then we saw a positive inflow of ETFs again. But if we look at where we're at with the Bitcoin price, we did see a bit of an increase. So yesterday we were trading even down around $61,000. About 12 o'clock last night, we peaked up to 64,700. I think we've seen a bit of a positive effect as the markets open. We're back down at around 63,000. But look, interesting. I think this is going to push the price. I think we are going to see an increase over this week that I've been saying. We are only Tuesday, but anyway. And then interestingly, as you know, we talk about sports here at FNGO. And one thing I want to ask you guys just while you're watching this video is if you could just click the like button, click the subscribe button below, because really, it really helps me out. It helps the channel out. And it really gets us out there trying to spread the good word of crypto and sports and really trying to make it more accessible to everyone. So thank you so much for that. I would really appreciate it. ETFs. And then what we've also seen is sports fans surge in April. PSG hits its highest in 2 years. Sports fan tokens, for what people don't know, are fan tokens that you can own. They're created by a company called Chili's or Socios, and essentially you can own these and then you can vote on decisions within the club. So what music people come out to, armbands, things like that. They're a bit controversial. Some people like them, some people don't like them. Fans actually of football clubs pretty much hate them. But one of the market cap for the top fan token has ascended to the highest level in over a year. Sports fan tokens, which are related to football clubs, have experienced increased activity this month. Now, this potentially is, we're talking about PSG, because PSG is one of the biggest clubs in the world. So sometimes people are looking to speculate around what's coming, the end of the season, things like that. Tracked tokens include PSG, AC Milan, Roma, Barcelona, Madrid, Inter Milan, Juventus, Napoli. All of them leveraging the Chili's chain, which I mentioned, which is a layer 1 blockchain powered by Socios. The market cap for PSG, which is one of the largest, is currently 42 million. Nevertheless, a fan token of AS Roma has been the best performer over the last 12 months, increasing from less than 7 million to over 23 million. So look, I said on a previous video that, I mean, if we look on the market cap, $380 million market cap over the last 24 hours of fan tokens. And what we can see, as we said, Santos actually 35 million, FC Barcelona 28 million, Lazio 24 million, Man City 23 million. These are big market caps, but Paris Saint-Germain are leading the way. And actually, when we then look at the overall market just for crypto, everything's kind of, as I said, ticking along. Bitcoin is up a little bit, Ethereum is up a little bit, but no major big moves. The market is just very much going sideways. And then guys, one final thing with regards to FNGO. As you know, this channel is powered by FNGO. FNGO is your all-in-one sports super app. If you don't know about FNGO, please go on to FNGO Labs on Twitter. Follow, because FNGO is your all-in-one sports super app that is launching based on blockchain technology with SocialFi and GameFi. And we have been having a little competition on Twitter recently. You can participate and win possible FNGO tokens. Now, we were doing something around Bayern Munich and Real Madrid and getting people to predict the score of these two games. So this competition has finished. It finished yesterday. We'll be announcing the winners on Thursday. However, please keep an eye out for more competitions that we have coming on Twitter. Our profile is FNGO Labs. And as we said, it's the ultimate sports app that is launching, that's connecting sports fans and the crypto world. So once again, guys, please like the video. Please subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Have a beautiful day.